Hello YouTube, I want to show you what the machining cycle for the short walls looks like. So here we have the short wall element here, properly strapped down to the table and to the fixture. And so we will come over here. Code's all loaded, cooling's good. Let it spin up. Headphone warning, when it actually gets to cutting, it's going to be very loud. When I do this, I have earplugs in for myself. So cool. So you can hear that spindle is basically there, and we'll go. All right. And I definitely have safety glasses on. So here there's an M1 in the code, and that's just to stop everything. This is to make sure that this piece is clear. So you can see there's a wonderful stick here called the APA, the Advanced Poking Apparatus, and we just make sure that that piece is gone. So now this face is now faced off, so we just have to go press cycle start again. So cycle start to get past the M1. And it's going to start drilling some holes. There you go, and that's completed machining. It's going to go home, and then while that's going home, I'm going to turn the spindle off. Then this piece here is going to go in the done pile. See if I can do this one-handed. Nah, I can't do this one-handed. So yeah, you just take this out and then you put it in the done pile. And that's what the machining cycle for one of these looks like. What's it say on the controller for time? 33 seconds of runtime, yeah. So, so then including all of the like fiddling around and loading and unloading it to make each wall is less than 5 minutes. It's probably like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and that's how you build a wall. Thanks for watching.